Guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to create a poll on WhatsApp. So let's start. It's very easy to do it. So first, let's select the chat. I'm here on chat. Just select like stickers here on the menu, and you can select the clip here, and you will find an option that says poll. Just click here on poll, and you will ask the question. For example, what do you prefer? So after you write the question, you can write the answers here. For example, option 1, you can write Instagram. Option 2, you can write Facebook. And option 3, you can add TikTok. Now you can send the question here. And as you can see, we have the poll ready to use on our WhatsApp. Just select the preferred answer, the contact will select the one that they prefer, and then you will see the answer for that. Okay, so that's how it works. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.